Each year, thousands of cars, power plants and factories around the world emit millions of tons of dust, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides into the atmosphere. These gases and particles are transported and transformed in the atmosphere. They may fall directly to the ground as small particles of dry acid, or they may mix with moisture in clouds and fall as acid rain, snow or hail. Acid rain can dissolve harmful metals from the soil of lakes and riverbeds. Increased acidity will also harm aquatic life and the water ecosystem. Acid rain can destroy forests and affects crop production. It can corrode the water pipes. Toxic metals are then dissolved into the water we drink, thus affecting our health. It also corrodes buildings and causes economic loss.